What's good, PB gang? It's your boy Poppy Blasted, aka Rope God.
Rope God. Rope God.
Yeah. And today I'm coming at y'all with another reaction video. And this video right here, man, is pretty much me reacting to another video of mine. And this one was recommended for an update. And so I said, why not just kind of update it myself, but react to it as well. You feel me? So this right here is something that you guys always should do. You better be, you feel me, woofing. Okay, so this right here is overwoofing, pretty much how to prevent from overwoofing. You feel me? How to prevent yourself from overwoofing, because if you overwoof, my nigga, it was pointless to woof. You feel me? When you get a cut, it's gonna look like how my stuff look when I got a cut. Y'all saw how I lost progress? It's gonna look like that. I was overwoofing and stuff. You know, overwoofing comes from not brushing your hair as much as you should when you woofing, or woofing longer than what you should be woofing, longer than your hair texture will allow you to. You feel me? So this is right here is how to avoid overwoofing. So keep it locked.
I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave. So wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave. So wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave. I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy.
Alright, PB gang, so let's get right into the video, man. 360 ways for beginners, how to avoid overwoofing. I did this video in January last year, so it's been over a year, a little bit over a year I've done this video. And it's that long that like I said, I don't remember the videos, bro. I did so much video. I got 400 plus videos on my channel, so, and most of them are wave videos, so it's like I don't remember like the scenery or nothing. You feel me? So we about to go to it right now, man. This shit will help you guys, man. So I like react to my own videos, because you know, if you haven't saw it, then hey, it's better. Than if you saw it, then it can remind you of, oh, okay, this, that, you know what I mean? So it's always good to react to your stuff. So let's get it, man.
Which is why
4 weeks. Go 4 weeks. Shit, it's a long time ago. Let me see.
Pompous Albert isn't amused by unskilled
All right, let's get it.
Which is why he...
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Poppy Blasted, aka Rope God.
Rope God. Rope God.
Yeah. So I'm coming at y'all with a video on how you know when you are over woofing. Man, I get this question asked a lot. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all already know what I'm gonna do, man. I'll give y'all what y'all need. I'll give y'all what y'all want. Facts. I answer y'all questions. This is the reason why I do these videos for you. You feel me? This is the reason why I'm here, sitting in front of this camera. It's to help y'all. So I got y'all, so keep it locked.
I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. I'm so wavy, yes.
Man,
I'm so.
Alright, YouTube, so first off, I had the music too loud on this. I want to tell you guys that I know these last couple of videos I've been doing fashion, you know, shoes, you know, other things. Yeah. But you guys gotta understand, I have a lot of subscribers, and I'm here to basically, they recommend other things. What you guys ask for. You feel me? They recommend this stuff. Questions like asked like that all the time. Like, when are you gonna do different content? When are you gonna do, you know, still to this day, these gym videos? When are you gonna do these shoes or whatever? So when I do these type of things, it's because they ask for it. So that's what I do. You know, you guys might want the wave videos. Some people might want the gym videos. Some people might want the fashion. You know, I got a lot of subscribers that want different things. You know, I can't just have the same thing on my channel all the time. You feel me? Yeah, this is a wave channel. I gotta do other things, you know, to attract, you know, a different crowd. Greedy, you know what I'm saying? Like, I do. So I just trying to get to the point. I help y'all a lot. You feel me? Like this. When you are over woofing, it's going to look like this. Nice. This be over woofing, bro. You see that right there? You see how it's crying and all that? You see how it's like frizzy, everything frizzy and it's over curled and all that? That's how it look when you over woofing. This is pretty much over curl and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? It's not good. It's not good, bro. You gotta learn. That's why I tell y'all to work your way up to y'all woofs. Don't go automatically 8 weeks, 10 weeks woofing, 6 weeks woofing right away. Work your way up. Work your woofs up. First time you woof, try a month. Second time you woof, try 6 weeks. You feel me? Try 6 weeks. and you know, just gradually work your way up. It's a journey in waving. You know, you don't know. It's no can't even talk. There's no need to rush, as I'm trying to say. There's no need to rush. So gradually work your waves up. You see what I'm saying? It's crazy. How it looks when you overwoofing. It just look over curled, and it just doesn't look right. You know, you're gonna know when you're overwoofing. You know, people ask me all the time, but you know, it's basically this video is for my beginners though too, because in the beginning stages of starting to woof and stuff like that, it's hard to manage it because your hair is not trained yet. You know, so you know, you guys might be confused and try to like go 10 weeks or 11 your first woof. See, like I was saying, this other waver is doing it. You know what I mean? This other waver got hair is more trained than yours. The other waver has different hair texture than yours.
Told y'all.
You know, it all depends on your hair texture.
Right.
Also, it all depends on how trained your hair is. You know? So you can't just, your first woof, try to go 10 or 11 weeks. No, it's not going to go down like that. It's not going to work like that. You have to gradually work your woofs up.
Like I said.
Okay? So I say, the first woof, go 4 weeks.
See, bro, I didn't see this video in a long time, and I already know it.
4 weeks again.
I'm telling you.
Then your third woof, try to go about 6. You know, try to go about 6. The next week after that, go 6 again. You gotta work your way up. You know what I'm saying? You can't just start off in the beginning, just right away woofing, going crazy right away. It's not gonna work like that. You know, it takes time. Everything takes time. That's why I said you gotta have patience and consistency in this wave stuff. You know, I already know like. If you hella woofing or whatever, what will help your woof is pomade. You know, help it hold it down, help it train it. Some pomade.
That pomade will definitely help
and file your federal
down,
return. Free, maximum refund.
I don't use pomade right now though.
You know, help it
you
hold
can't
it
use
down.
it though. It's no shame in using pomade
because it's thicker than butters and oils. Pomade. Also use a hard brush when you're woofing all the time. Comb. You know, I tell you guys that all the time, so you guys already know about, you know, how to manage your woof. But when it's over curling, it's time to cut. Just cut, it's okay. Everybody's texture is different. So this waver might be able to go 12 weeks because he has bigger curls than you.
Bro, I don't know why I put this beat, bro, with this right here. This is like a sad beat with this.
Of course hair waver. Of course hair.
This beat did not go with this video. What the hell was I thinking, bro?
For a long time.
I don't know what I was thinking.
Curls,
what was I thinking?
Curls are going to shrivel up. Like, they're going to like...
And it's loud as shit. It's so loud.
They're going to curl and then over curl, which is shriveling up. So it's going to be like a curl just not laid down, basically.
Right.
Whereas when you do a medium hair texture waver.
Also, another tip for y'all, man, when you woofing, bro, to avoid over woofing, and to avoid your hair over curling, bro. Don't wet it. Only time you should wet your hair if you're a coarse hair waver, bro. If you're a coarse hair waver, a lot of straight hair wavers can do this. But if you're a straight hair waver, of course hair waver, I do not recommend you do the hot towel method or none of that shit, bro. Don't wet your hair at all. Only time you want to wet your hair, only time your hair should be getting wet is when you wash your hair on wash day. Because water on your coarse hair, bro, even if it's trained, like my hair, it overcurls my shit regardless, bro. It's just gonna make it hard for it to lay back down. You know what I'm saying? So I don't recommend it, bro. Trust me.
Your curls are gonna expand. They're gonna get bigger. You know what I'm saying? You can go longer. You know what I'm saying? Our coarse hair wavers, our curl length is real short. You feel me?
You already know about that.
I'm sure on what to do. You know already what to do. You know what I'm saying?
That's what I'm talking
about. So when hair is growing and if it's ragged up as it's growing, it's going to help it to lay down and be trained. You know, if it's growing and you slacking on throwing your do-rag on overnight.
Now you can beat sensitivity pain fast with new Sensodyne Rapid Relief.
You know, if it's growing and you slacking on throwing your do-rag on overnight, or you slacking on throwing your rag on after a session, it's going to be hard for your hair to lay down. It's going to lay down, but it'll take longer. So if you go to if you a kid and you in school and stuff, of course you can't wear a do-rag. So it's just going to take longer for you. But try to plastic bag, try to get it in, use a softie whenever you can. You know, if you work at a job where co-workers and you at a desk job or whatever, of course you can't wear a do-rag with your suit on. You know what I'm saying? But eventually your wave's gonna get trained, but
it's gonna take longer.
It's gonna take a little longer.
Feel me?
Because you can't rag up, bro.
So that's pretty much the end of the video. You know what I'm saying? But just for the people who to help, what I'm trying to say. What would help your waves to lay down and to avoid overwoofing and all that? Another thing that would help is to stay ragged up, okay? Like longer than, so normally when your hair is shorter, you get a brush session in, rag up for about an hour or something. Try 2 or 3 hours because you got more hair in your head, which means it's gonna be, you need more compression and longer compression. You feel me? Now, if you got a desk job or something like that, like I was saying, clerical job, any type of job where you know, at a desk or a computer, whatever, of course you can't wear a do-rag, right? Or if you're at school, of course you can't wear a do-rag, right? Because sometimes they don't allow you to wear a do-rag and stuff. You can't wear a do-rag at practice, basketball practice, none of that, right? Well, this is what I would do. I would, right when I get a chance, after practice or after the job, whatever, use softies and plastic bags. You feel me? Plastic bags and softies. That's what's gonna keep your hair to like lay down, like kind of lay down. Not as much because you can't rag up, but it's still gonna, you're gonna still progress, but pretty much it's gonna take longer. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna take longer. So you can still woof and do everything, but it's just gonna take a little longer because you can't rag up right away after sessions. You can't brush at work. You know, you can't do all those things, but it's gonna take longer, but you gonna get there. It's okay. Like I said, there's no rush. But that's pretty much in the video. How to get 360 waves for beginners. How to avoid overwoofing, man. You avoid overwoofing all in all from training your hair, not woofing so long. If your hair is trained, work your you still don't need to woof all that long. You know, I woof long because I am a Corso waver, so you think like, damn, you a Corso waver, you can woof that long. My hair is dumb trained. You know, but I learned to not even woof not that long no more. It's pointless. So I woof, my longest I woof is like 12 weeks the longest. I used to woof like 16 weeks and stuff like that. So those are my tips for you guys, man, on how to avoid over woofing. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the like button right now. Hit the like button, bro. Hit it. Also, subscribe. If you're already a subscriber and you did not hit the little button, little bell on the side, man, make sure you hit that bell so you can get notified. You can get notified every time I drop a video. That's joining the notification gang, joining TV gang, alright? Highlight the bell, man. With that being said, man, I'm out of here. I love y'all. Deuces.